Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Let's talk about something that most of us struggle with, but rarely address honestly: discipline. And I'm not just talking about productivity hacks or morning routines. I'm talking about something deeper, something rooted, the kind of discipline that Islam actually calls us to. And honestly, I'm on this journey too, so let's walk through this together. We live in a world that sells discipline as a grind. Wake up at 4 a.m., hustle constantly, push harder, rest is weakness. But that is not the Islamic understanding of discipline at all. In Islam, discipline is about consistency for the sake of Allah. It is about showing up quietly, sincerely, regularly, even when nobody is watching, especially when nobody is watching. The Prophet, peace be upon him, gave us one of the most powerful principles to live by. He said that the most beloved deeds to Allah are those done consistently, even if they are small. Not the most impressive, not the most public, the most consistent. That one principle, if we truly built our lives around it, would change everything. We were not left without a model. The Prophet, peace be upon him, lived a life of extraordinary discipline, and he did it without a single moment of showing off. He rose in the depths of the night when the world was asleep to stand before Allah in prayer, not for recognition, not for an audience, for the one who created him. Through battles, through loss, through moments of immense difficulty, he never abandoned his Salah. His connection to Allah was not a fair-weather habit, it was the anchor of his entire existence. And beyond worship, he disciplined his character. He controlled his anger. He was careful with his words. He ate with moderation. He slept with intention. This was a man of enormous responsibility and influence, and yet his inner world was completely under control. If that was the standard he set, and none of us will reach his level, it at least tells us what direction to walk in. And that direction starts today, with small steps taken sincerely. So let's get practical. Here are 5 ways to begin building real Islamic discipline, and I'm working on all of these alongside you. 1. Make Salah your structure. Stop fitting your prayers around your day. Build your day around your prayers. Start with Fajr. Sleep earlier so you can wake for it. This single shift reorganizes your entire relationship with time. 2. Begin controlling your inner responses. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said the truly strong person is not the one who overpowers others, it is the one who controls themselves when anger rises. Begin there. Watch your reactions, watch your scrolling, watch what you say and how you say it. 3. Give your day some structure. The Prophet's day had time for worship, for family, for work, for rest. Nothing was left to chaos. Even simple planning, done with Allah in mind, brings barakah into your hours. 4. Take your body seriously as an act of worship. What you eat and how you sleep affect your focus, your mood, and your ability to worship. The Prophet ate with moderation and rested early. These are not small things, they are part of the discipline. 5. Replace excuses with dua. When you feel weak, and we all feel weak, turn that moment into a prayer. Ya Allah, help me overcome my own desires. Make me from those who are steadfast. That is not giving up. That is the smartest thing a believer can do. Here's the thing about motivation. It fades. Everyone who has tried to build habits knows this, but purpose does not fade the same way. When your discipline is connected to Allah, when you are waking up for Fajr because it is a covenant, when you are controlling your anger because it pleases Him, when you are planning your day because your time is a trust from Him, that is a different kind of fuel. The Prophet balanced worship, family, community leadership, and the weight of an entire message being revealed to him, and he did it through consistent, purposeful daily habits. We are not being asked to match that. We're just being asked to try, genuinely try. One sincere hour of focused effort daily, rooted in the right intention, is enough to begin a real transformation. Discipline in Islam is not about becoming perfect, it is about becoming consistent in submission. It is showing up for Allah first, then for yourself, then for the people who depend on you. I'm trying to build this too, and if you're reading or listening to this, I hope we can hold each other accountable, not in competition, but in brotherhood and sisterhood, walking the same path toward the same destination. Start today. Start small, maybe just Fajr, maybe just one dua. Ya Allah, make me disciplined for your sake. Make me among the steadfast. Because the ones who showed up consistently, even imperfectly, are the ones who made it. May Allah make us among them. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.